MicTuning upgraded design, input, 12V30V, output, dual 5 volts 3.1A, works great as a replacement or extra dual USB charger and car switch panel, with blue LED light. Overheated, overcurrent, overcharging protection, charging will be automatically stop when battery is full, easy to use and install. Compatible with popular mobile devices USB 2.0, any device including digital cameras, PDAs, mobile phones and USB accessories. As a replacement or extra 12V30V DC dual USB charger in vehicle. Color, black, material, ABS plus electronic components. Top reviews from the United States. Charges well and it's blue. Used to replace old unnecessary switch in my dash panel.I had to sand down my plastic slightly to fit the switch, but in Titan works great.I've been using blue for all my switch and dash light replacements. This fits right in and looks great.